What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Adventure Off-Road X. So in this episode, I want to go over some space-saving tools and also just some multi-tools in general. If you've watched my channel, then you know that I'm a big fan of Defiance tools. I met these guys last year, and they just have some phenomenal products. I've bought quite a few of them, and I generally like them. So if you're looking for something that saves space and it's all in one tool, multi-tools, then this is your company. I just became an affiliate with them, so if you do like some of their tools and you want to check out their website, click on the link below, and it'll save you 10% if you use my code AOX. Like I said, I've bought all these tools. I've really enjoyed them over the year, and they've definitely lasted, and I couldn't be happier. So I just wanted to take the time to share it with you guys and give you an overview of what they are, the ones that I have. There are some more coming because I really like their stuff. So they have something they're about to come out with, and if you watched my past video from the Southeast Expo, then you'll know what I'm talking about, or you might have seen a small glimpse. But either way, I just want to get into these and show you what they're all about. So like I said, I ran into this company, Defiance Tools, about a little over a year ago at one of the expos and shows that I go to, and they're really some down-to-earth people. I always stop in to say, hey, chat a little bit, see what they have new, and I joke about, they come out with something new all the time because they want me to buy it. So that's why, like I said, I believe in their product enough that I wanted to become part of their company. So now, here we are. So let me show you what we got here. So this is the all-in-one. This is an all-in-one tool that they have here. Comes in a nice little bag. It's all in one here. What's really nice is you just pull, comes right on out, and then you just rotate this around, and there you go. Everything locks into place, so you have to actually push this button to actually get it out. So that's a really nice feature. And then here, same thing. We have a spatula. You can use it. You just have a little bit of space here, or you need to get some length on it. It works really well. So it's come out to be a must-have for me when I'm out at camp. So another cool thing about this, so you see these little divots here, and on this one you have these ones here. All they do is they go in, slide them back, and now you have tongs. So you can flip things, and they're pretty strong. I mean, but it's been a really nice deal. And then here you have bottle opener, corkscrew, and then push the thing here, and you have a knife. It's come in handy, especially on the fly. You just have all in one here. You're only rinsing and washing one part, versus having this, and this, spatulas and tongs and everything else. It's all one deal, and it packs up into this little thing. And then all you do, fold it all up, just like this, and then this slides down, comes right on out, push your little tab in, just like that. And then right here, and here, it only fits on one side, so you fit it right in the little hole there and slide it down. It's locked into place. Same thing with the spatula. Bring it around, has the same little tab on the opposite side. Slide it in, and there you go. And then, like I said, it all just tucks away super nice, and you can just throw that in your bag, your tote, whatever you want to put it in, and it's all in one deal. Or if you want to hang it, it has a nice little hang here. You can hang it wherever you want. So This has been a great tool. Myself and Jason, we use this consistently anytime we're at camp and we're cooking. It's just been a great deal, and I've had no issues. I believe Jason had a small issue with one of the screws, but again, they were super fast, super easy to deal with. Got a brand new one, no big deal, and we're down the road. So that's one of them. The next one, I've actually done a review on this one. So if you don't know about these tool bags, they're really nice. They're just roll bags. So you just roll it on out. Got 3 big pockets right here. I just put my wrenches and stuff in there. Wrenches, tools in here, and then it has this nice little slots here. I mean, works really nice. This is a really nice tool to have, just to have, if you need to pry apart any of your plastic parts. And then, of course, you gotta have one of these because you never know what you're gonna have to file down. And then your screwdrivers, of course. And then you have a pocket right here as well, and I just put some miscellaneous stuff in there. And then, like I said, it just all nice and convenient. Rolls back up. Pull this around, snap it in place, and there you go. I usually take these, tuck them in, so that we don't have them sitting around there. But super easy, super convenient, and again, space saving. That's the biggest thing that I like about it, is because it is space saving. I mean, it's only this big. You know, it's not that big, so you can fit that. I actually fit those on the side panel over here. That's where I keep all my tools, and it works really nice. The last thing I have is their coffee maker all-in-one. So the only thing that you will need is boiling water. That's it. So however you want to boil your water, I use a jet boil. If you use a stove, that works just fine too. That's all you need for this kit. So this kit comes with everything here. So it comes with this nice little bag. It has clips on it right here. Nice little pocket on the back side. It has molly panels. Put your stuff in there. Another thing I like about it is these here. You can unclip them. You can hook it to something. So that way when you get to camp, you can kind of just hook it to wherever you're at, and it works really, really well. What you get is, this is the coffee cup slash French press. So the 2-part here. You have this here, and then this is what has the screen on it. All these nice rubber, it seals very well. But all you do is you put your coffee in the bottom, put your boiling water. You have a measuring on this for 1 cup. I do mine a little bit lower because I like to use cream. And then all I do is I put this just like that. I let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then you push down, put your top on, and there you go. Just beware, it is very hot, and it stays hot for a minute. So it's definitely, it stays hot for a while, which is really nice. Another cool thing you get with the kit is this is their grinder. So if you like fresh coffee like I do, this is really cool. So all it is, pop your little top here. That's where all of your beans go in. And then on this side, I have the handle. Pull that out. Put that right on there, and you just give it a grind. And then all you do, this thing pops open just like this. All of your coffee's in there. It also has a nice convenient window on the side here, so you can see where you're at. Because I fill it up to about here, and then that gives me my enough for my cup, so about halfway, and it works out really nice. If you like to measure it, It does have a spoon right here. But again, it's like the rest of this video, everything's nice and convenient, and it stores away nicely. And then I also have their coffee here. This stuff's really good. So I don't know who this is. I got your 6 is the coffee. It is extremely good. I really enjoy this coffee. So, but again, just packs up nice and neat. Everything goes right back in its place. So when you're done with camp, you're done with everything, it's all nice and neat. Convenient. So guys, if you get a chance, I highly encourage you to check out defiancetools.com. You might find something really cool. They have a lot more than what I'm showing you here. I've got a few more things that I've ordered, and I'll be getting them in, but they have a lot more cooler things. So check them out, and if you get a chance to check them out and you like stuff, please use my code AOX at checkout. You'll save 10% on the whole purchase. So you'll get some cool tools and you get to save a little bit of money. But guys, that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of Defiance tools and some of the stuff that I personally have and I bought and I've used. So if you get a chance also, I have another video. I'll post in links of us actually using it on one of the trips and showing you how easy it was. And so again, guys, I can ramble probably all day. Just want to take a quick one and say hey, and hope everybody had a great weekend. This is Sunday for me, so you'll be seeing it Sunday. But again, guys, till next time, enjoy your adventure.